Hey, what's going on, guys? Right here in this video I'm going to show you how to install a shifter on a Honda. Bought this particular Honda at a car auction. It's got a busted out window, the seats are all slashed up. We're going to install new seats we got from a salvage yard. We also got a shifter here we're going to install, and we got it from a salvage yard. I have another used one. Very important on these shifters, don't lose the spring. There it is, that I just intentionally dropped out so I can show you what breaks on them. That spring, when you lose that, your shifter won't work. And the shifter button, let's see if I can find it here. There it is. There's that notch right there that breaks. That's what locks these shifters in, the button in on the shifter. It goes in this groove right there, and when it breaks, then a spring comes shooting out and you lose your button. Well, a lot of people think it's still good, but it's not. So the spring goes right down in there just like that. Turn the button to where that groove lines up, and you hold it in place just like that. And then you take and also you slide it down on there. There's a plastic sleeve inside there that it's got to line up with. Let's see, 1 second, I'm about to take it out. Alright guys, you can see we got it here. Lift it up, you slide it down. Whoops, dropped you here. Slide this down. And this has got little tabs that well, we'll get that here in a minute. Heck with it. Let's get this on there. You put these 2 screws, 1 in each side. We'll get them installed. Be right back with you. Alright guys, like I said, you install the screw right there on the side. There's one on this side. Once you get those in, then you can take the shifter and, well, got to have the key on. Let me just seat here. Alright guys, we're back here. We had some technical difficulties getting the clip to line up inside there. Now that we got it lined up, now we're going to put the 2 screws, 1 on each side, and that'll hold the shifter in place. 1 second, let's get them screws installed.